15th April 2024. It was our day 2 in Kaziranga. It was the day when we were going to have our long awaited elephant safari. This elephant safari is organized in Bagodi range of Kaziranga, which is also known as the western range of Kaziranga. We got our time slot for elephant safari at 6 in the morning. So we have to reach by 5:45 in the morning. So we woke up early, got freshened up and left for the safari. If you are wondering how long it took us to reach Bagodi from our resort in Kohora, then this is for you. We left around 5:22 and reached around 5:45. So it's 23 minutes by car. Today we have come to western part of Kaziranga forest, which is known as Bagodi, and here the elephant ride will happen. It's 5:45 now and we are already here. It feels like 7 a.m. if I look around. There are so many people around here. So we are so excited for the ride. Let's see what we get to see today. The road which you can see behind me is the road through which we have to reach the elephant safari point, and the ticket which I am holding in my hand is the ticket which we need to provide in order to enter the Bagodi range for elephant safari. This is the road which will lead to the place where we will have the elephant ride, and people have already started the queue, so we are also approaching it. We walked towards the queue, showed our ticket, and entered into the bridge which will lead us to the opposite side where elephant safari will take place. But I will take a pause here and will provide you with the necessary details for elephant safari planning. You should book your safari tickets at least 7 to 10 days prior your planned safari date, otherwise you may miss out on it. We have now come near to the platform from where we will ride the elephants. This is the place where you have to board the elephant and also have to off board from it. And this is how it is. We waited in the queue for a while and then our turn showed up. Maidik taka.
महाराज को ले मतलब गणेश जी महाराज की जय ले अच्छे से दिखाना हमको हाँ? अगर इसको केले का खुशबू आ गया है और अपन नीचे उतर के खाएंगे.
A quick note, Kaziranga remains closed for visitors from last week of May till September and reopens from October first week. But these dates may vary depending on weather condition. So please cross check before you plan your travel. It was a quiet, soothing morning and we were enjoying the ride right when we observed our first rhino of the day. At this point, all the elephants gathered and the mahouts took us picture with the elephant and the rhino behind. Here they are for you. And then we started the ride again.
और क्या दिखेगा अभी
तो खुला जगह है, हम कैसे बोलेगा.
ऐसा क्या रोज आता है इसलिए पूछा.
हम लोग को तो रोज वही मिलते हैं, और राइनो डियर बाफेलो ऐसे ही मिलते हैं और कुछ नहीं मिलते. और हम लोग को 6 महीना में एक बार मिला था. और क्या टाइगर
6 महीने में एक बार.
हाँ.
यहीं पे.
हाँ.
अच्छा. और ये नहीं है भालू.
भालू है.
वो अंदर भी जा रहे हैं. अंदर से चलता ना अपने को भी दिखते ज्यादा ना आगे भागे ऐसे खेलने से. देखो अंदर ऐसे चलेंगे ना बार बार तो वैसे
It was getting more and more thrilling as we were moving deep into the jungle. This is the beauty of elephant ride. They take you to the deeper side of the jungle where jeep cannot reach. After riding into the wild for a while, we got to see another rhino in front of us. To our surprise, we got to see another rhino closer to us than the previous ones.
কাছের থেকে
আমার মার দেশে
গরুর মতো খেয়ে বেড়াচ্ছে ঘাস আরেকটা হ্যাঁ ওর কিছু যায় আসে না কত হাতি আছে কি আছে ও মতো খেয়ে বেড়াচ্ছে
কেমন করে দেখেছে রে তাই তো হাতিরা আসে
ওরা জানে আসবে এটা কে ডাকছে হাতেই ডাকছে মনে হয়
আমাদেরটা
কে জানে কে ডাকছে দুদিকে দুটো
আমরা যাচ্ছি কেউ একটা ভিডিও তুলে দিলে
দু তিন দিকে তিন চার দিকে ওই যে পেছনে রাইলো
और किधर है रे
ওই যে রাইলো
छोटा जगह नहीं है वो बहुत बड़ा जगह है अलग अलग जगह पे रहते हैं
पूर्व दृश्य
I always find jungles to be calm and soothing, and Kaziranga was no exception. It was a bliss to ride during this morning hours through the jungles.
लगे थे तेतुल
These are called wild chickens.
भैंस लो ऐसे भैंस को टाइगर ने अटैक किया था कहाँ है वो ये देखो सर्दी पड़ा
चल 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 मेरे साथी
Our safari was coming to an end. On our way back, we spotted a baby rhino in the waters.
চিনটা উঠছে বুঝেছিস
At the very end of the safari, we also spotted these flowers. These are called rhino flowers, and it is made if rhino excretion is done in the same spot over a period of time. So, these are called rhino flowers. And then we came back to the base, off-boarded from the elephant, and left towards our car. So we are done with the elephant safari. It was the second round of safari. So the first safari starts from 5 and the second safari starts from 6. We boarded the 6 a.m. one. Which one you will be included in, that is not in our hand or the vendor's hand. It is only decided by the forest officials. But you have to book the slot in advance. Then they will allot some first round or second round or third round, and they will inform you on the day prior by 8 in the evening. Yesterday around 8 we came to know that we have been allotted to the second round of safari which starts at 6. So we had to report here at 5:45. You can also do jeep safari here, and it starts from 7:30. Usually it's for 2 hours, and for 2 person it's 2630 because there is an entry fee of 115 per person. So rest of the amount is for booking entire jeep. Then we started for our resort. We reached our resort and had breakfast and then checked out from the hotel and left for Shillong. This is the end of Kaziranga stories. Next episode onwards, I will come up with my stories of Shillong. So keep watching The Rover Bong.